The house is completely dark, and everyone is sleeping.
The midnight air is very cold tonight.
There is a giant monster walking inside our living room.
Calm down, Sam. Monsters are not real things.
The heavy footsteps woke me up, Mom. Is a thief inside?
Stay behind me, family. I will protect our home.
Why does the wooden floor creak so much when we walk?
Do you know why old wood makes a creaking sound, Lucas?
No, Dad. Is the wood talking to the darkness?
Wood expands in day heat and shrinks in night cold. That creates friction.
Wow! Friction makes the wood move and squeak. Science is cool.
The friction didn't make that sound. That is a giant foot.
Aha! I caught you, sneak midnight monster.
Goo goo gaga. Look at me, Daddy.
Oh my goodness! The giant monster is just baby Toby! Stomp! Stomp! Big boots go fast!
My heart stopped beating because of a tiny baby.
How did he escape his safe wooden crib at midnight, Mom?
Look at that plastic box stool. What did he do, Lucas?
Did he use the box like a mountain climbing step?
Yes. He used a basic tool to increase his height and climb over.
Toby is a baby genius. He understands high levels.
These heavy boots are stuck tight on his pajamas.
No, my boots. Toby is a big firefighter man. Kick the red ball with your giant boots, Captain Toby. Why did I fall down? The boots are too heavy.
Do you know what invisible force pulls us down, Lucas?
Is it the air wind pushing our bodies down to Earth?
No, it is gravity. Gravity is an invisible magnet power from Earth. It pulls everything down.
Wow! Gravity catches the ball every time. The Earth is strong.
Time to feed our little gravity explorer and go to sleep. Sweet milk makes Toby a strong firefighter man.
Good morning, Captain Toby. The green grass is warm today. Look at me run. My small red shoes are fast.
No more midnight boot-stomping adventures for you, mister.
We must secure the crib gate walls with these plastic locks.
Mom, how does a small plastic latch block a strong baby?
This latch creates a mechanical block. It requires a lot of finger force to open.
The door is sleeping. It will not move, Lucas.
Time for a healthy fruit snack break for the safety team.
This backyard party is much better than a scary midnight monster.
I love you, Daddy. You have the biggest, best boots.
The village market is full of colorful fruit stands today, Mom.
Watch your steps, kids. The mud is very slippery here.
Why does the goat not fall down in the slippery mud, Dad?
Look at the shape of his hooves. What do you see? The hoof is split in two pieces like a small moon.
Yes, those are cloven hooves. They split wide to grip the rough rocks tightly.
My red shoes have rubber lines. They have grip power, too.
Here is a delicious reward snack for our smart science boys.
Learning about animal feet makes the market trip very exciting, Mom.
A cold winter wind is blowing. The big storm is here.
We must check the window frames to block the cold air.
My woolen sweater is fuzzy. I am a warm sheep, Lucas.
Mom, the freezing wind is sneaking inside our house right here.
Do you know why this foam blocks the cold wind, Lucas?
Is it because the foam is very thick, like a blanket?
Foam is full of tiny air bubbles. They trap heat and block wind.
The wind is dead. My warm bedroom is perfectly safe now.
Hot milk for the best safety inspection team in the city.
Our home is the coziest place in the whole wide world.
The sun is up. The white snow is turning into water.
Happy Spring Festival, my beautiful and smart family treasure team.
Grandma,
Grandma,
look at my small, fast red shoes today. I have a special reward for our little midnight monster, Toby.
These small boots are lightweight. No gravity accidents today, Captain.
Thud! Thud! Toby is a real official firefighter captain, Lucas. Clear the path, everyone. The safety captain is marching through.
This photo will hold the highest place on our living wall. Good manners and science answers make a home very beautiful, Lily.
Look at the small green tree frog sitting on the round leaf. How can a tiny frog swim so fast inside the water?
Look at the skin between the frog's toes. What is it?
The toes are connected by a thin yellow skin web path.
Those are webbed feet. The skin web pushes a giant amount of water.
webbed feet are like real boat paddles. Nature is so smart.
Time to feed our backyard explorers some delicious sugar treats today.
Our backyard pond is full of amazing biological design secrets, Mom.
The big sun is setting. The night is coming back.
The candle flame gives a very warm and lovely light, Sam.
My tiny boots are clean and sleeping on the floor carpet.
Mom, why does the moon shine so brightly in the dark?
Does the moon make its own firelight like the sun?
No, I think the moon is just a giant gray stone.
Correct. The moon is a giant stone mirror. It reflects the sun's light.
A giant stone space mirror. The sky world is absolutely beautiful, Mom.
Time for the final night milk drink before the sleeping hours.
Good night, Space Mirror Moon. Good night, Big Black Boot Monster.
The new plastic latch is locked tight. You are safe, baby.
Good night to the best little brother with the loud stomp steps.
The house is completely silent, and our home is full of peace.
A small family mystery can teach us a whole lot of love.